Welcome to Expanded Reports, creating a simple commission report demo. Expanded Reports starts where QuickBooks reporting stops. Now you can create reports your way without the need for Excel or complicated, expensive report writers. For purposes of this demo, we are going to create a simple commission report to get you started. First, we need to choose the appropriate report to begin with. So let's choose Reports, Sales, then Sales by Customer. On this next screen, you're able to modify the report filters and also the columns. First, you want to choose your date range. I'm just going to choose all. Then if you look below, you can see your pre-selected fields. If you need to add additional fields, select View All, and then you can search. Or you also have the ability to just go ahead and start typing in the search box. If you'd like to add a filter, select the Filter tab, choose your field. You have the ability to do an and or filter. You also have wildcards to represent a single character and also a series of characters. You can choose the drop-down box for any, equals, not equals, begins with, and so on. And that'll add a lot of additional functionality to your report. So let's go ahead and say OK. This will generate the report. Once the report generates, you can see that there are 3 tabs. We have a detail report, a summary report, and also a raw data report. The raw data report is useful if you just want to receive the information in a format without all of the subtotals and grouping. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to use a detail report. Now let's get down to adding our calculation. First, we need to go ahead and select Insert Formula, select New, and now we need to create a label for our column. We're going to call it Commission. And now we need to select a format for that column, which will be currency. And then if you're familiar with Excel formulas, you can go ahead and start typing that formula in. I'm just going to choose amount, and we'll say that we'll do 10%, which would be 0.10. If you need additional formulas, select this blue formula button, select all, and that'll give you many more functions to choose from. There's also functions in here with the XR behind those, and those were specifically created for expanded reports. So I'm going to select Cancel. Now that we have our formula together, we'll go ahead and test it by selecting the Test Formula button. And I'm just going to change the amount to $30. So we want to see what 10% of $30 is, so we'll select Test, and we can see that that's $3, so we know that it's working properly. Now we'll go ahead and select OK to add that calculation to the report. Okay, so you can see that the commission is added to the right. If you think that the amounts are too high or too low, you can always go back to Insert Formula, select Modify Commission, and change that 10% to 15%, or you can change it to whatever other number you'd like. So we'll select Update. And then you can see that the commission amounts have changed. Now that you have your report the way you'd like it, you want to go ahead and memorize it. So you'll select the Memorize button. Now you have the ability to change the name of the report. You can save it in My Memorize group, a company Memorize group, or you can share with the Expanded Reports community. I'm going to select OK. And that's going to go ahead and save that report template for me. Now, if you want to use it at a later time, you just select Memorize Reports and choose it from the list. We encourage you to use the trial, play with the reports, and contact us if you have any questions. You can also attend our free webinars to get more information. Thank you for viewing this demo of Expanded Reports.